Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: blue color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, yellow color, green color, black color. Kids, now recoloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and again use blue color. Kids, now draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D, and use red color. E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now draw G. G for God, G for glass, and use yellow ochre color. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion. Kids, now draw M. M for moon, M for mango, and use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use black color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids, again use black color and draw Q. Q for queen. Kids, now draw R. R for rose, R for rice, and use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, now draw U. U for umbrella, and use red color. V. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids, again use red color and draw W. W for wolf. It's nitro X. X for X-ray. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Y. Y for yak. Kids again use yellow color and draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids nitro numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2 3 T H R W E 3. Kids nitro 4. The numbers of 4. And use green color. Green color. F O U R 4. 5 F I V E 5. It's nitro 6. The numbers of 6. S I X 6. It's nitro 7. The numbers of 7. And use black color. Black color. S E V E N 7. It's again use black color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. E I G H T 8. It's nitro 9. And again use black color. N I N E 9. Kids, last we draw 10. The numbers of 10. T E N 10. And again use black color. Kids, today we draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.